Hey, welcome back to Legally TT, and thanks for joining us today. So I posted a picture of this wig here, and I wanted you guys to really see, not really a full install because it's nighttime and I'm not putting this wig on, tacking it down to take it right on off, but I wanted you guys to see more or less a finished product of this wig. It was a pre-made wig, not a custom made by me on the sewing machine. I get a little lazy sometimes and I'm like, let me just buy it. It's already done. I could just customize it a little bit. This wig here was from my vendor. I absolutely love the hairline. I did not pluck this hairline at all. I did, however, bleach the knots and I colored the hair to be a darker color. I personally am not a fan of the natural blonde hair on me, so I will typically color my wigs a dark black or really dark blue or purple, whatever I'm feeling that day or whatever colors I have on hand. This one I did do blue, so it's a blue black, not just a regular black. So you have some strands that you'll see are blue and then some are look black, but it works for me because I prefer the darker hair. Literally all I did was kind of flat iron it, bump it under, and that's all I had to do for this hair. So I am in love with this wig. Now the only downside for me is that it's a little too big. So I have a 21.5, 22 inch head, which is a typical size for your wigs. This one fits slightly bigger, but it does have the adjustable straps in the back and the combs, and once I tack it down you really won't be able to see that. So I want you guys to see the wig on, and then we'll talk about a couple of things. So like I said, it has the adjustable straps in the back, so these straps here, and what is it, 4 combs? Yep, so 4 combs. I typically don't use the combs because I always have a cap on, so the combs are just kind of there. I could always take them out, but I don't. If they annoy me, I will. So let's put this on so you guys can see. Like I said, it's not tacked down, so you will see my lace, but look at this bob life. It is just absolutely gorgeous, and as you can see, the hairline is amazing. Like I said, I did not pluck this hairline at all, and this is what it looks like. I did flat iron it to lay it down, but I did not pluck it at all. So as you can see, I haven't cut my ear tabs down, but pretty much it looks like it is growing out of my scalp. I may have to do a little makeup in the part just to broaden the part a little bit, but once I tack this down you really won't be able to see it because of course I had to tint my lace. So let's talk about me tinting my lace. There has been a lot of trial and error in tinting my lace. I finally found my solution, which was this dye here. It's a little hard to see. I'll put it down in the description. So it is Kiss Colors Tintation Dark Brown. It has a neutral base, which I realized I needed a neutral base. I would use dyes that had a red base or even makeup that had a red base, and it just would never come out the way I wanted it to. It never looked like skin to me. So one day I just said, let me take a little piece of lace off the back of one of my wigs and let me try this, because even when I did the put your dye in the water, it still just did not come out the way I needed it to. I've even tried lace tints. It just never was the perfect color for me. So I took this and my brush and I put it on my brush and just brushed it on really lightly. And I was like, that's kind of looking like I need it to be. So I had to make this lace a little darker. I usually only go over it with one, once. I had to go over it twice with this lace because this lace was really, really light. But I was able to get it to the perfect tone because, as you can see, you can barely see my lace. What lace? And some of you may be like, no, I see it right there. Yes, it's not tacked down, so you're going to see it. But for the most part, it is the perfect tone. So I love the length. I'll put all the information in the description below. And it is just absolutely gorgeous. If you follow me on Instagram, I will post pictures of me wearing this wig tomorrow. I will tack it down, and you'll be able to see me, Legally TT, like full on in this wig. I'm going to wear it tomorrow. I'm so excited because it is just so pretty. It just turned out so well, and the fact that I didn't have to do much work to it was even more amazing. I did learn when you bleach your knots and then you do the watercolor method, because that is how I got the blue black or black color to it. You should put a couple coats of hairspray on your knots so that they don't turn the color that you're dipping your hair. I did not do so, so my knots were blue. I re-bleached the knots. I wanted to kind of see how it would react. Sorry, doggy's making noise down there. I wanted to see how it would react, and it did really well. I don't know what she's doing. If it balds a little faster, I know was because I bleached my knots twice. But I don't wear my wigs a lot because I have so many, and then with this quarantine and working from home, I don't put on hair. I just, rock my braids and I keep it moving. But if you would like to see this wig fully put on, make sure you follow me at Legally TT on Instagram, and I will post pictures. It will also be on my business page, DelMarVa Sacred Tresses. And if you want me to offer this wig, because I did not intend on offering pre-made wigs, like I said, like this one is kind of, loosely fitting. I prefer to fit them right to my head. Let me know and I can get this for you. I'll tell you the price and everything in the description below. So make sure you like and subscribe, and please share this page, and make sure you stay tuned for my next video. Love you guys.